Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. It's been a while we haven't spoken much about any ammunition of Indian Army, and this video will provide the vital details on one of the ammunition which has not been discussed for a while. And I'm talking about the handheld grenades. As per the latest update, Indian Army would be getting 40,000 grenades, which are also known as the multi-mode hand grenades, and this is going to happen very soon. This is the first time a private company is manufacturing such ammunition for the armed forces. The company which is being mentioned here is the Economic Explosives Limited, which is a subsidiary of Solar Industries India Limited. And this company was awarded the contract of manufacturing 10 lakh grenades worth 400 crores for the Indian Army. A team of senior officers of DRDO and other concerned agencies would soon conduct a pre-delivery inspection of the consignment and pave the way for material dispatch to Indian Army. The main reason and intention to acquire these grenades is to replace the vintage 36M British hand grenade which are still in use by the Indian Army. The 36M have been manufactured by the facilities of Ordnance Factory Board for the armed forces as of now. Another major reason for coming up with an idea to replace these grenades is due to its reliability issues and uneven fragmentation pattern. All these factors makes it unsafe even for the thrower which is being used during any war scenario. These MMH grenades offer numerous advantages to the soldier in terms of safety, a dual mode capability and lethality. Just to give more information about the multi-mode hand grenades, these MMH grenades are jointly designed by the Terminal Ballistics Research Laboratory, which is a laboratory of the Defense Research and Development Organization, along with the Economic Explosives Limited. The MMH grenades can be used in two different structures, resulting in two different modes, the defensive and offensive mode. In defensive mode, the grenade is complete as it is assembled within its fragmenting sleeves. This mode is used while the soldier is in a shelter and the enemy is in an open position. The lethal radius is achieved up to 8 meters from the point of the burst. On the other hand, in offensive mode, the grenade is without its fragmenting sleeve and is used for low intensity conflict as it offers stunning effect alone. This mode is used while the soldier is in attacking mode. The lethal radius is achieved up to 5 meters from the point of burst. Now coming to the shelf life, these grenades can be stored for a minimum 15 years from the date of manufacturing under normal storage and packed condition. The storage and operational temperature is between minus 20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. So that was a quick video on the grenade which are going to be delivered to Indian Army very soon and give them a quick relief from using the old unreliable grenades of British age. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.